Alright, so I know the title may seem a bit harsh, but I strongly feel that there are better alternatives if you are on a tight budget. But let me just backtrack a little bit here. So the reason for making this video is because I've been seeing some promotion of a brand across social platforms that I didn't give the time of day when they reached out to me. And after watching a few sponsored videos, I knew I made the right decision. But I not only ordered a pair to look at them, myself in person, but use these to also educate any potential buyers out there and really highlight some of the stuff that the influencers left out. So what I have here are a pair of Bruno Marc shoes. Their shoes range from $30 to $50 on Amazon, depending on the style that you choose. Affordability is really the selling point when you watch those sponsored videos. And it may come across as if, you're scoring a deal here, but unfortunately, you get what you pay for. And here's why. The shoes are plastic. It's not made out of real leather, so they won't last you a couple of months if you wear them daily. Faux leather shoes, they're not going to age well. They will just deteriorate over the little life that they have out of the box. It may look all nice and shiny now, but once you begin to crease it, it will start to peel, and it's going to be a disaster. And no, the shoe polish will not save it either, because faux leather cannot absorb the shoe polish, so it would just sit and transfer that polish to whatever your foot comes in contact with, which could be your pants. At least for me, it did when I didn't know any better. Glued soles, faux lining, making them unbreathable. I could go on, but how about moving on to better budget alternatives? Now, if you've been following my channel, you know what I'm going to suggest if you are on a tight budget, and that is thrift shopping. I've scored Allen Edmonds for less than $5 and even had one restored for less than $50. I guarantee, I think I have some, hold on. These are the $2 Park Avenues, and I got these for like $12, and I also got them restored. But I guarantee any shoe that you find at a thrift store will be miles better than these joints. If you don't have any thrift stores near you, then I suggest eBay. If you know your size, you can find many leather shoes that will fit your budget without having to resort to cheap synthetic shoes. Now, I know thrifting or buying pre-owned is not everyone's thing, and I get it. I used to be one of those people. So my next suggestion for finding real leather shoes on a budget is a DSW or Nordstrom rack. Now, I've made a video review on DSW, and I really don't want to go back and watch it, but I scored this pair of Chelsea boots for $20, and they are still going strong after 5 years. I may polish them for this video, but I never have, and they still look great. You cannot get that with, those faux leather shoes. In fact, I took a visit to my local DSW and went straight to the clearance rack, and without really digging, I found a pair of heavily discounted Florsheim shoes that matched the price of these Bruno Marcs. While I was in there, I found these leather slippers made out of real leather lining for $25. These are gonna be my house slippers or studio slippers, whatever you want to call it. Honestly, they got a lot of brands and styles to choose from, and if you create an account and sign up for their email list and the rewards program, you can stack up the savings. This is not, a sponsor for DSW, by the way. I just know the ins and outs of budget shopping because, I've been there. I know what the struggle is like. What am I talking about? I'm still struggling, but you get what I'm saying. Now, my next suggestion is to save up. Quality shoes are an investment, and while some may just think of them as a small part of an outfit, from experience, they can impact, your style, confidence, and overall impression of those you encounter. Now, whether it's for a night out, a job interview, a business meeting, or a social event, quality dress shoes convey professionalism, attention to detail, and a sense of style, and you would not be projecting that with plastic shoes. Okay, I kind of just went on a rant there, and I went completely off topic, but investing in higher quality products, in this case shoes, it's going to save you money in the long run, as these things will withstand the test of time. Now, my final suggestion, and they may not be $50, but I think they are an amazing entry-level shoe that honestly is much better than what is on the shelves in most department stores. Are shoes from Beckett Simonon. I don't have them here, man. They're far away. But I made many video reviews on Beckett Simonon. But to quickly sum it up, they are a direct-to-consumer shoe company that cuts through traditional manufacturing costs, which while bringing you quality shoes at a fair price. I will leave a link to my most recent video review for you guys to check out. Now, going back to these, I think they are fairly priced for what they are. It's about the same range as shoes from H&M, but as mentioned before, there are better alternatives out there. I could have maybe gotten them to sponsor me or have them, you know, give me a commission code to share with you guys. But if I personally wouldn't buy them, then why would I suggest you do so? Just to get a payday? I'm good. I mean, I'm not good. I would appreciate the money, but I'm good. I'm not gonna, you know, just lie to you guys about that. Like, come on. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean or disrespectful here, man, but these could probably, I mean, I guess like in emergencies or something, if you really need a dress shoe that quick for a one-time use for like a wedding or something, maybe you order on Amazon Prime, something like that. I don't know, but hey, they're not for me, and I don't suggest my viewers you know, buy synthetic dress shoes. But anyways, guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be careful out there, and I will see you on the next video. Later, guys.